Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable auto reply messages on Business Suite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Business Suite app in a device. Then tap on Tools. Next tap on Settings. After that, tap on Automations. Then tap on Away Message. Next, you can see the option of Messenger. Turn on it by tapping on it. Next, tap on Save. So this is how you can enable auto reply message on Business Suite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.